Have you ever wondered how to identify real gemstones at home using transparency and shine? In this video, we'll explore a few simple and real methods that can help beginners examine stones more carefully. First, look at the transparency of the stone. Natural gemstones often allow light to pass through in different ways. Some stones, like quartz or amethyst, may appear transparent or slightly translucent. Fake stones made from plastic usually look too cloudy or too perfect. Next, check the shine, also called luster. Real gemstones usually reflect light naturally and deeply. Quartz has a glass-like shine, while diamonds reflect very bright white light with strong sparkle. Plastic imitations often look dull or oily under light. Try using sunlight or a phone flashlight. Hold the stone near the light and slowly rotate it. Natural crystals often show small internal lines, tiny inclusions, or color variations. Completely flawless stones can sometimes be fake glass. Another simple trick is tea.